I don't need a blind man to see so I can believe. I don't need my problems washed away so I can finally see. I don't need a big, big house full of everything. My faith overcomes my doubt, and that's enough for me. I don't need a real fast car to beat you in a race. I got my heart and my soul right in the right place. We pray every day to see miracles, but hey, look around and behold, He made the greens and the seas and all the animals you see. Every feeling that you feel, He knows your card before you deal. Author of creation, illustrator of all nations, He knows who we're meant to be. Now that sounds like a miracle to me. Do we know how lucky we are, living day by day, having an almighty Father love us the same way? Are we content with our sin, want to change the life we're living, griping and moaning in our doubt? But God kicks the devil out, grabs you, holds you in His arms, always there to protect you from harm. Yet we kick and scream and run, asking for something better than love. In the dark and lonely despair, I reach for you cause I know you're there. And when I'm tired and I've had enough, you're still there to pick me up. He made the greens and the seas and all the animals you see. Every feeling that you feel, He knows your card before you deal. Author of creation, illustrator of all nations, He knows who we're meant to be. Now that sounds like a miracle to me. His miracles are all around us, everywhere.
When you come to Caroline Furnace, you immediately begin to feel the cares of the world slip away. You feel a sense of peace and calm, yet you find you have incredible energy to explore this amazing space. Camping, canoeing, hiking, singing, swimming, or just relaxing, there is something here for everyone. Surrounded by friends you have known and friends you have just met, you are free to explore your beliefs, your passions, your courage, your silliness, and your faith. At Caroline Furnace, you come to realize that who you are is exactly who God wants you to be.
He made the greens and the seas and all the animals you see. Every feeling that you feel, He